Well, I'm trying to do my best to answer the policy questions that are being raised about public health genomics.
Can you explain to me what public health genomics is?
Well, in my sense of view, public health genomics is something that should derive knowledge from the genome and make a good application for public health in terms that it is effective, it is timely, and it is responsible for the individual and the society at the same time.
You mean medicines?
Not just medicines, testing, drugs, other products that not restricted to medicines.
Why is this important?
Well, it is important because we have many situations from rare diseases to common diseases where there is still no treatment and no cure available, and so this is not going very well. But
It's going very well. So can genomics help in all these situations where there's little or no cure available?
I think that two great expectations have been posed on genomics and on public health genomics, which are not keeping the initial promises of the Human Genome Program. It certainly can help, but it's not helping as much as we would like to, for the moment being at least.
What should politicians do about genomics?
I think the main thing that politicians should do is to protect individual rights, and at the same time to save our money and to save our resources that are spent very often in applications that have no clinical utility, no clinical validity, and so in one word, health technology assessment.
Okay. What could health technology assessment exactly do?
Well, it will assess the clinical, the analytical validity and the clinical validity and utility of new applications for different contexts, and it's very important to assess every single new product to each different context, because something may be very useful for diagnostics, but not for predictive testing. It may be very useful for predictive testing, but not for population screening. So we have to assess disease by disease and context by context.